Hello guys, if you're trying to make your own custom team in College Football 27, the good news is that the entire process is pretty straightforward and you can customize almost everything about your school from the logos and uniforms all the way to the stadium and roster. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to this official team builder website and sign in with your EA account. If you bought the game through Steam, you can log in with Steam and it will link automatically. Once you are signed in, click create. It may take a few seconds to load, so just give it a moment. After that, you will be taken to the team builder page where you will see 6 different tabs at the top: brand, uniforms, stadium and field, program and roster. You'll want to go through each of these tabs and customize your team exactly the way you want it. Starting with the brand tab, you will see the school info section on the left. Here, you can enter your team name, team nickname, team abbreviation along with your city and state. Below that, you will find the logo section. This is where you can upload your primary, secondary and tertiary team logos. PNG files usually work best because of the transparent backgrounds, so they'll look clean on uniforms. You can also select your team's colors, which will automatically be used throughout various customization options later on, including your uniforms and stadium designs. You'll also find options for apparel, brand and fonts, so feel free to explore and customize them however you'd like. Once you have finished making changes in this tab, make sure to click save before moving on. Next, head over to the uniforms tab. By default, you'll have home and away uniforms available, but if you want more, simply click the plus icon to create additional uniform sets for your team. I recommend starting with your home uniform first. You can fully customize the helmet, jersey, pants and socks. There are plenty of designs options available, including colors, logos, patterns, numbers and custom layers, so you can really make your team stand out. You can also select preview option from top right to see your entire uniform together. Once you have finished your home uniform, repeat the same process for your away uniform and any additional uniforms you have created. Don't forget to click save when you are done. After that, move over to the stadium and field tab. Here you can customize almost everything related to your home stadium. You can choose your stadium name, select a stadium base, customize the crowd, adjust the stadium sounds, choose the field surface, add logos, customize both end zones, change the numbers on the field, customize the sidelines, benches and much more. If you want your school to have its own unique stadium atmosphere, this is definitely the tab where you'll spend the most time. Once you're happy with your changes, click save once again. Next is the program tab. This section lets you customize your school's overall identity and prestige. You can select your offensive and defensive playbooks, choose the year your school was founded, select your program type, customize your athletic director expectations, create rivalries, add recruiting pipelines, and even customize your school's records. You'll also notice various school grades shown on the right side, such as championship contender, program tradition, campus lifestyle, stadium atmosphere, pro potential, and several others. These help define what kind of program you are building in Dynasty mode. After finishing everything here, click save. Finally, head over to the roster tab. This is where you can customize your entire team roster. You can select different roster presets, edit player information, customize names, numbers, height, weight, appearance, positions, ratings, faces, and much more. If you want complete control over your team's players, you'll want to spend some time here. Once you have finished customizing your roster, click save one last time. After you have gone through all of the tabs and customize your team, simply click submit in the top right corner of the screen. If everything uploads successfully, you will get a team submission successful pop-up on your screen. From there, you can select go to my teams to view all of the custom teams you have created. College Football 27 allows you to create up to 32 custom teams. Now to use your custom team in the game, launch College Football 27 and go to create and share. From there, open the download center. Switch over to My Share tab by pressing R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox and download the custom team that you uploaded through Team Builder. Once it's downloaded, return to the main menu, select play, then play now, and you will be able to choose your custom team and start playing immediately. And that's everything you need to know about creating your very own custom team in College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.